Okay, this is the cloud computing lab of PED at Hyderabad, and I'm going to give a demo on how a software PBX works through the cloud. Here we exactly see right here we have two laptops on which I have installed two soft phones, and they are the client side, and in this side of the big computer you see is my cloud. Here I see Amazon cloud being accessed here. If you see, this is the asterisk PBS being started as an instance which we got as an AMI image from public, and when you start this image and actually you come here, you connect through this Linux box to that address of that image, and once the connection is made, that's how you get connected. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a call from a soft phone. These are two soft phones having been registered on the cloud with two different numbers, and we are going to make a connection between these two phones and the PBX SIP server, which is going to interface this through the cloud. So let me quickly make a dial-in. So I'm going to connect to the other phone, which is 2000 is that number. And when you come here, this is actually the logs happening here. You can see the logs getting generated, and the phone is now ringing, and this is on the cloud, on Amazon cloud. That is my console. So this is one way we are showing that the other phone is getting that ringing message there, and we need to actually pick it up. So now the call is established. Now once the call is established, again you can see the logs on the cloud. Again I reiterate, this is the cloud which we are using from Amazon. So now let me quickly move over to the other version of connecting to the PBX using Android phone, and we'll just make one more call, a mobile phone rather than a laptop. So now actually we are going to dial into the one of the soft phone installed on the laptop. We are now dialing, and actually it is been dialed. Here you can see this is getting though the voice is pretty low, but it is getting dialed. It's here, I think. So call got established. You can see the reflection on the cloud here. We'll do one more dialing to this number, 2001. Can you do one more dialing? 2001. 2001. Sorry, 2000. You're right. Yeah. The call is established here. We can see the call getting established. So basically this is a 3CX client software on the mobile, and now we have quickly shown you a very quick demo on how from soft phone, be it on laptop or on a mobile, can use a soft PBX, software based PBX installed on the cloud, and the image we have used called asterisk. So our future plan is actually in this lab, this is a eucalyptus based lab, we are going to create an image with the IVR on it, and again going to demo the similar kind of exercise to really cater to the cloud based UC, which is going to be more prevalent going forward, and how it is actually catering to the new business requirement. Thank you.